In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Google Sheets and how you can export your Google Sheets back into a CSV file. Whether you're analyzing data or sharing a spreadsheet with others, these steps are handy tools to have at your disposal. Let's get started by opening up Google Sheets. If you don't already have a blank sheet open, create a new spreadsheet. Once you're in your Google Sheet, head over to the top menu and click on File. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, select the option labeled Import. Now, you'll be presented with several options for importing data, but what we're going to focus on today is the Upload tab, which allows us to directly upload a CSV file from our computer. Click on Upload, then hit the Browse button. This will bring up your File Explorer, where you can navigate to find the CSV file you'd like to import. After selecting your CSV file, you'll be taken to an Import File Settings window. Here, one essential choice you'll make is whether you want to append this data to the current sheet or replace it entirely. For our demonstration, go ahead and select Append to Current Sheet. This option will add your CSV data to the existing information in your Google Sheet without overwriting anything. When you're ready, click on Import Data, and just like that, your CSV file is now neatly imported into your Google Sheet. Now, let's pivot and talk about how to export your Google Sheet into a CSV file. This is incredibly useful if you want to move your data into another program or simply create a backup. To start exporting, return to the File menu. Once again, click on it to bring up the drop-down menu. This time, look for the Download option. Hover your cursor over Download, and a submenu will appear offering several file formats. The format we're interested in here is the comma-separated values, or CSV format. Go ahead and click on comma-separated values. Your browser will automatically download the current sheet as a CSV file to your computer. It's that simple. Now you have a CSV file you can keep for your records, share with someone, or import into another application. Remember, these steps can save you time and keep your workflow efficient. So whether you're importing data into Sheets or exporting it out as a CSV, these skills will surely come in handy in a variety of situations. Feel free to practice these steps a few times until you're comfortable. If you encountered any issues or have questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.